Hello students, today is our science period and we are going to see chapter 2nd, our teeth. So students, in previous videos we saw teeth. How many teeth are there? There are 20 baby teeth. There are 20 baby teeth and permanent teeth, 32 permanent teeth are there. Understood? Next, parts of a tooth. We saw parts of a tooth. One tooth have different parts: crown, enamel, dentin and cementum. These are parts of a tooth. म्हणजेच काय, एका दाताचे इथं काय दाखवले? पार्ट्स दाखवलेले आहेत, पार्ट्स सांगितलेले आहेत. विच आर दे? क्राउन. सी, क्राउन, enamel, dentin and cementum. These are parts of a tooth. And today we are going to see types of a teeth. Types of teeth. Sisters, you noticed that your elders have different types of permanent teeth in their mouth. Each of the tooth has its own function. There are 4 kinds of teeth in a permanent set. Sisters, you have noticed that your elders have different types of permanent teeth. How many teeth are there? Permanent teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth are there and they are not same. That all 32 teeth are same? No. There are 4 kinds of teeth in a permanent set. म्हणजेच काय, परमनंट सेट 32 परमनंट टीथचा जो सेट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 4 काइंड्स आहेत, ते आज आपण इथे पाहणार आहोत. सी, incisors. First one, incisors. Incisors are shaped like tiny cells with flat ends that are somewhat sharp. These teeth are used for cutting and chopping food. See students, here there are 8 incisors. In this picture, see, there are 8 incisors, 4 incisors of top and 4 incisors bottom side. See, these 4 front side 4 teeth are called incisors. Front side 4 teeth, top side 4 and bottom side 4. These 8 teeth are incisors. That 8 teeth are called incisors. म्हणजेच आपल्या तोंडामध्ये जे समोरचे 8 teeth आहेत त्यांना आपण incisors असे म्हणतो. These teeth are used for cutting and chopping food. Where we use that teeth? Cutting. Use for cutting and chopping food. म्हणजेच काय, फूड कट करण्यासाठी आणि चॉप मीन्स त्याचे तुकडे बनवण्यासाठी आपण या इन्सायझर्सचा वापर यूज करत असतो. नेक्स्ट, द पॉइंटी टीथ बिसाइड्स युअर इन्सायझर्स आर कॉल्ड कॅनिन्स टीथ. देर आर 4 ऑफ देम, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. Because these teeth are pointy and also sharp, they help to tear food. Sisters, beside your incisors, there are 4 pointy teeth. That is called canines teeth. That is 4 teeth are there. 4 canine teeth are there and they have pointy teeth. Okay, and sharp also. They help to tear food. Tear means फाडणे किंवा तोडणे. ते आपण जे फूड आहे ते तोडण्यासाठी त्या टीथचा वापर करत असतो कारण ते पॉइंटी आहेत. नेक्स्ट, टू युअर कॅनिन टीथ आर युअर प्रीमॉलर्स विच आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड, because per teeth you have 8 premolars in all, 4 on the top and 4 rises which make 4 at the bottom. Premolars are bigger and stronger teeth that have rises which make them perfect for crushing and grinding food. Sisters, there are 8 incisors and 4 canines. Beside of canines teeth there are premolars which are also called bicuspid teeth. You have 8 premolars. There are 8 premolars, 4 on the top side and 4 bottom side. See in this picture, this front side 4 teeth are incisors. Beside of incisor, that is called canine teeth, and see here premolars. There are 8 premolars, 4 bottom side and 4 top side. Okay. See students, premolars, there are 8 premolars, and that premolars are bigger and stronger teeth. प्रीमोलर्स कशा आहेत, बिग ही आहेत आणि स्ट्रॉंग ही आहेत. सी विच मेक देम परफेक्ट फॉर क्रॅशिंग अँड ग्राइंडिंग फूड. ग्राइंडिंग म्हणजेच आपण जसं मिक्सरला काय करतो, पेस्ट बनवत असतो, तसंच आपले जे प्रीमोलर्स आहेत हे आपण घेतलेल्या फूड आहे ते काय करण्यासाठी, क्रॅशिंग अँड ग्राइंडिंग म्हणजे ते त्याची पेस्ट बनवण्यासाठी ह्या प्रीमोलर्सचा वापर होत असतो. ओके. इफ यू ओपन युअर माउथ रिअली वाईड यू विल सी युअर molars. You have 8 of them, 4 on the top and 4 at the bottom. See students, here if you open your mouth really wide you will see your molars. म्हणजे आपलं जे तोंड आहे ते आपण असं मोठं आ केल्यानंतर, ओपन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय दिसतात, आपले molars दिसतात. You have 8 of them. How many molars are there? 8. 4 on the top and 4 at the bottom. See students, how many teeth are there? 32 permanent teeth. There are 8 incisors, 4 canine teeth, 8 premolars and 8 molars. Molar means दाढ, आपण जी मराठीमध्ये दाढ म्हणतो. 4 of the top and bottom. Okay. Now see next. Understood students, types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canine teeth, premolar and molars. Okay. Now see. How can we keep our teeth healthy? We take care of our teeth. How? See here. Proper care of teeth is very important. We can take care of our teeth by following these steps. How we can take care of our teeth? See here, you also follow these steps. Okay. First see, brush at least twice a day, after breakfast and before bedtime. It is also good to brush your teeth after you have sweet snacks. See students, brush daily, you brush your teeth at least twice a day. Okay. दिवसातून 2 times तुम्ही ब्रश केलाच पाहिजे. when we brush our teeth after breakfast, when see students, after breakfast and before bedtime, ब्रेकफास्टच्या नंतर आणि बेड टाईम म्हणजे रात्रीचं जे आपण डिनर घेत असतो त्याच्या आधी, बेड टाईम. इट इज ऑल्सो गुड टू ब्रश युअर टीथ आफ्टर यू हॅव स्वीट स्नॅक्स. See students, this is also good. We brush our teeth after we eating sweet. That time also you brush your teeth. म्हणजेच काय, आपले ब्रश आपण स्वीट खाल्ल्यानंतर सुद्धा ब्रश केलेले कधीही चांगलेच असतात. That is good for our teeth. Understood? Next see. Brush all of your teeth, not just the front ones. Repeat, brush up your teeth along the sides and in the back. See students, how we brush our teeth? Not just only front side, front ones. फक्त समोरून ब्रश करायचा नाही आहे. Repeat, brush up your teeth along the sides and in the back. When we brush our teeth, that time we repeat brush up and side brush teeth along the side and back also. Okay. म्हणजे ब्रश करताना बॅक साईडने आणि साईडने, फ्रंटने सगळीकडून व्यवस्थित ब्रश, आपले टीथ जे आहे ते ब्रश केले पाहिजेत. ब्रश अवे from our gums. Gum is what? Pink fleshy part, that is called gums. म्हणजेच जो पिंक फ्लेशी भाग आहे, पार्ट आहे, त्याला आपण गम्स म्हणतो. ब्रश अवे फ्रॉम आवर गम्स. नेक्स्ट, स्पेंड. गम्स मीन्स इन मराठी हिरडी. स्पेंड at least 3 minutes each time while you brush. Sisters, spend at least 3 minutes each time while you brush. म्हणजे आपण प्रत्येक वेळी 3 minutes, मिनिमम 3 minutes ब्रश केला पाहिजे. Be sure your toothbrush has soft bristles. Take brush has soft. Want that brush soft. Next, you should change your toothbrush every 3 months with a new one. Sisters, here you should change your brush every 3 months. After every 3 months with a new one. 3 months नंतर तुम्ही न्यू ब्रश यूज केला पाहिजे. ओके. See next what? It is also important to visit a dentist twice a year. Besides checking for signs of gums diseases, the dentist will help to keep our teeth extra clean. Sisters, this is also important. Visit a dentist twice a year. In 1 year, you also visit a dentist twice in 1 year. एका वर्षातून 2 वेळा काय केलं पाहिजे? आपण डेंटिस्टना विजिट दिली पाहिजे, चेकअप केलं पाहिजे. बिसाइड्स चेकिंग फॉर साइन्स अँड गम्स. The dentist means the dentist will help to keep our teeth clean. How we take care of our teeth? They help to us. Okay, students. See here how to brush your teeth. See students, here are given 4 steps how we brush our teeth. First, see top inside. See top side. Jiggle along every tooth, making sure you clean down to gums. See students, first top inside you brush and every tooth making sure you clean down to gums. म्हणजेच आपले जे आपले टीथ जे आहेत ते आपण व्यवस्थित क्लीन केले पाहिजेत आपल्या हिरडीपासून. बॉटम इनसाइड. Afterwards, bottom inside, jiggle along every tooth, making sure you clean down to gums. First one top inside, afterwards bottom inside. Next, chewing surface. Chewing, see here picture. Brush along the top and bottom back teeth. Back side teeth also brush, and outside brush using a circular or up and down motion. Start on one side and go all the way to other side. Understood students? You also follow these steps. Okay, and take care of your teeth. Okay? Thank you.